Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Rosalie Inigo de Guzman, 38 years of age. I am married and I have one son who is now 19 years old. My height is 4'11 inches and my weight is 50 kilograms and I am a high school graduate. My first employment as domestic helper was in Malaysia since 2019 until 2021. My employer there is a couple of Chinese, two elderly and two babies, ages 1 year and 6 months baby boy and 3 months baby girl. My main duties there is to look after the babies, cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes and ironing. I have also experience to look after elderly, monitoring their blood pressures. And my second employment was in the United Arab Emirates since 2022 until 2024. My employer there was a couple of Emiratians and two babies, ages 2 years old baby boy and a newborn baby boy. My main duties there is to look after the babies, cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, and ironing. And to my future employer, thank you for choosing me as your helper. I will do my best to do my job accordingly. I will follow your instructions carefully. And I am willing to learn how to cook your food. And I will do my best to fulfill my duties inside your household. Thank you.